Hello, I just got these step solar lights. I just wanted to show you how that works, and honestly I think this is going to be really useful for everyone that have a garden or an outside steps. So as we open here, we have the instructions, the lights, and also some stickers and some screws. You can decide if you want to screw them in or just use a sticker. So as I said before, they are really easy to use. You have here the button to put on and off. So you need to just put it on, and because you are not going to see the light, the easy way to see if they are on, you cover this and the light came on. So you're ready to place it on the stairs, putting that side to the wall. So I'm going to do that now and show you how I did it. Even as I said before, you can use the stickers or use the screws. So I'm going to place them here. I want to show you how this works. I'm going to use the tape, but just in case you want to use this, what you are going to do, you just place it here, place the two screws there, take this off, and after just insert the screws here. So just before you put it in, you need to make sure you put it on. Say before how to ensure, just cover the panel lights and you are going to see the lights, so I know they're on. So I'm just going to stick it here. So I just place them there. Let's see now how that looks, but just to let you know, they need to about 4 hours charging with sunlight, and also they can last at night up to 8 to 10 hours.
We can see now the final result, like really good lighted, like that give a really nice touch to my stairs. Like I highly recommend this, really easy to use.